Guys, let's face it, every man has made at least one fashion mistake in his life. Maybe it was that oversized shirt in college, or those fake designer sneakers you thought were cool. Whether you're from Mumbai or Miami, New Delhi or New York, style mistakes don't discriminate. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 most common style mistakes men make and, more importantly, how to fix them. Let's go.
1. Wearing clothes that don't fit. Number 1, and it's the biggest one: bad fit. In India, it's common to see guys wearing shirts 2 sizes too big. In the US, we often see the opposite: tight, restrictive clothes that don't allow you to breathe. Fix it. Go to a tailor. A basic alteration will change how you look instantly. And when buying off the rack, always check the shoulder fit, sleeve length, and taper at the waist.
Too many logos. Flexing brands doesn't mean you have style. A logo-heavy outfit screams, trying too hard. Especially in Indian streetwear, this is becoming a big issue. Fix it. Focus on quality, fit, and color coordination over logos. 3. Ignoring footwear. Your shoes can make or break your outfit. In India, guys wear floaters or bathroom slippers everywhere. In the US, beat-up sneakers with suits are still happening. Why, bro? Fix it. Own at least 3 pairs. Clean sneakers, 1 pair of dress shoes, and 1 for casual days. Keep them clean and rotated. 4. Wearing the wrong colors. Some guys wear colors that drain their skin tone, especially in Indian summers. Wearing black on a 45 degrees Celsius day is a death sentence. Fix it. Know your skin tone. Dusky and brown skin tones look great in earthy tones, olives, burgundy, or mustard. Fairer skin can pull off cooler shades. Stick to 2 to 3 colors per outfit max. 5. Over-accessorizing. Yes, accessories elevate your style, but too much looks clownish. Fix it. Minimal is modern. 1 watch, maybe a bracelet, and clean sunglasses. Balance is key. Wrong occasion, wrong outfit. Don't be that guy who shows up to a friend's birthday in a 3-piece suit, or worse, a wedding in jeans. Fix it. Dress for the occasion. Understand dress codes. Semi-formal, casual, ethnic. Learn what fits where. 7. Poor grooming. This one's universal. You can't dress well and ignore grooming. A messy beard or bad skin takes attention away from even the best outfits. Fix it. Get a haircut regularly. Trim your beard or stubble. Moisturize. And please take care of your skin and nails. 8. Outdated fashion trends. If you're still rocking jeans from 2010 or wearing sunglasses indoors, you're not being retro, you're just behind. Fix it. Follow modern trends, but don't chase fads. Follow Instagram pages, YouTube channels, and find timeless style with a modern twist. 9. Not ironing or caring for clothes. Style isn't just what you wear, it's how you wear it. Fix it. Iron your clothes. Fold or hang them properly. Wash them right. Invest in a lint roller and some fabric care basics. 10. Copying without understanding. Ranveer Singh looks great in crazy outfits because he owns that confidence. But if you copy him without his attitude, you just look confused. Fix it. Take inspiration, but adapt it to your personality. Style should reflect who you are, not who you follow. Style isn't about being perfect, it's about learning, evolving, and expressing yourself with confidence. If you've made any of these mistakes, no shame. We all have. The key is fixing them and leveling up. Hit that like button if you learned something today, and drop a comment with the style mistake you used to make. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion and grooming tips. Catch you next time. Stay stylish.